Hello everybody, how you doing today? As you can see, I've still got quite a few used, untested locomotives, and over here as well. All these are used, untested, as is. So I was thinking, let's try to get some of this tested a little bit and checked out. So I've got let's go with, I was thinking this Chattanooga, along with the caboose. And I've got a couple other Chattanooga cabooses in here. They need repairing, don't even have any wheels or anything on them. So I was thinking, let's get these all running and tested and get them on the track. Okay, we got them all out here. And first we probably need to do is check out the locomotive, see how she runs, if she runs. Alright, we got the locomotive here. Let's put this in the cradle and see what we get. No, nothing yet. Obviously I have spark. Huh. Well, maybe it's the wheels are clean, dirty. Let's get down to the motor and see what it looks like in there. Okay. There we go. Oh, maybe some of that's it. That big old wad of hair kind of around that thing. Not going to spin with hair all around it. Alright, I got the motor out. Let's get down there and see if the motor works. And it does. Okay, so we just have a failure in getting electric current through all the wiring. So I need to clean everything up like I imagined. I've already started with cleaning all these wheels and real good with my fiberglass pencil. So we'll get this all lubricated up and we will repeat the process on the back and see how it does. Alright, get this back part open. Get these cleaned out. Get these wheels all cleaned up and lubricated. And we'll see how it runs. Rub it down a bit with some rubbing alcohol. Alright, those were definitely kind of dirty. Since this is metal on metal, I'll definitely be putting a bit of oil on that. I won't be using any grease, but I will use a little bit of oil. Give it a little dab right in there. Well, it turns out while cleaning up the back ones, both of these are cracked all the way. If you can see, they're both cracked. So I'm going to have to go through the parts bin here and see what I can find. Alright, I got me a couple replacements. Need to clean them up and we'll be good to go. These definitely have huge cracks. You can see it's all, see how big that is. Same thing on the other one. And here's the difference between one of them cleaned and one of them not cleaned. Okay, we got it all cleaned up, lubricated, replaced the back 2 axles and wheels. Let's see if it's going to be a runner. Yeah. Well, guess we just need to put it on the old track. See how it does. Right, there you go. Also noticed I was missing half a tank, so I went through my parts and found one, so I will install that, clean it up, and install it. Alright, now on to the caboose. We'll install some metal wheels and couplers and get them running. Alright, got some metal wheels on it and they spin flawlessly. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Now I need to install a ladder and we'll be good to go. Alright, on to this one. It's missing everything on the bottom. Somebody did a little custom painting. I tried to clean it up a bit. I don't know what I'll do with it. I'll probably weather this later and use that to accentuate it maybe, but we need to at least get it running and going with the rest of this Chattanooga stuff here. Alright, got that one cleaned up and the wheels are running real nice and easily. Let's get them on the track. And here comes the Chattanooga GP20. And here it comes with its original caboose, cleaned up and metal wheels installed. And here it comes with the additional caboose that had the paint on top of it. And here it comes with the third caboose, number 917. And here it goes by with all 3 of the cabooses attached. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.